So guys, in last class I discussed about bitwise operator and other operators I will be discussing in today's session. So we'll start from size of operator. It returns the size of its operand's data type in bytes. As an example, a equal to size of in bracket char semicolon. It will assign the value 1 to a because char is a 1 byte long data type. Now we'll see about comma operator. The comma operator allows us to separate two or more expressions that are included where only one expression is expected. When the set of expressions has to be evaluated for a value, only the rightmost expression is considered. Which means the comma operator is used to link related expressions to make the program more compact. Related expressions are evaluated from left to right and the value of the rightmost expression is returned as the value of the expression. So here is the example. I equal to in bracket j equal to 3 comma j plus 2 semicolon. First we'll assign the value 3 to j. Then we'll assign j plus 2 to the variable I, which means the value of j is 3 and j plus 2. So at the end, the variable I would contain the value 5 and the variable j would contain the value 3. Address of operator. It returns the address of an variable. Example, address of a semicolon. It will give the actual address of the variable a. Now, pointer operator. It will put pointer to a variable. Example, pointer a semicolon will pointer to variable a. Now here is a list of operators with its category and associativity of it. First is postfix category. Here is the operators of postfix category and the associativity is left to right. Here unary category operators and the associativity is right to left. Then multiplicative, the associativity is left to right. Then additive, associativity is left to right. Shift, associativity is left to right. Relational, associativity is left to right. And equality, associativity is left to right. Now bitwise AND operator, associativity is left to right. Bitwise XOR, associativity is left to right. Bitwise OR, associativity is left to right. Logical AND, associativity is left to right. Logical OR, associativity is left to right. Conditional operator, associativity is right to left. Assignment operators, associativity is right to left. Comma operator, associativity is left to right. So guys, that's all about operators in C programming language. In next video we'll see the decision making in C. So that's all for this video guys. Thanks for watching.